Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend, and obviously we are here at Boss D Restaurant located at Amabini, Tanawan City, of course. Tanungin natin ang ating kasama na she will represent the Philippines to the Miss Culture International 2024 na gaganapin sa Indonesia. Hi, Lemon.
Hello everyone.
Ayan, so Lemon, for the benefits of our international and local viewers sa Pageant Trend, kindly introduce yourself first.
So hi everyone, my name is Lemon Joy Manalo Di Mayuga, your Miss Culture International Philippines.
So, Lemon, how are you?
I'm really good. Kinakabahan na po, to be honest, kasi a week from now, lilipad na kami sa Indonesia to represent our nation for Miss Culture International.
Wow, how excited are you for this international competition?
I'm very excited and kinakabahan po at the same time. But me and Ryan, gusto talaga namin may uwi yung crown para sa Philippines.
Yes, go for the crown.
Yes.
And if ever, I think you will make a history for the Philippines, right?
Yes, thank you so much.
Well, talking to your preparations in this international competition, so how was it?
It was good. Actually, 3 weeks lang po yung binigay sa amin preparation and napakabilis lang nun. But since gusto namin kasi talaga ni Ryan tong competition na to, I think even it's just a 3 weeks, enough na yon to be prepared for the upcoming pageant.
Kailan mo nalaman na you will be representing the Philippines sa competition na to?
Nito lang po last month. Parang 3 weeks preparation lang po
Wow.
yon. And to share with you guys, graduating student po ako and napakahirap ng schedule. So talagang sinisingit kung hanggat kaya kasi gusto natin para sa Pilipinas.
Which is hard, competing the international pageant or studying?
For me, competing the international pageant kasi sa school, basta mag-aral ka lang and you have the time para makapag-aral eh. Pero sa international pageant, hindi lang kasi sarili mo yung dala mo but also our whole nation. So, napakahirap. Ando din yung pressure, yung excitement, but at the same time, gusto kasi natin. Yun naman ang mahalaga. Yung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo.
Exactly. And nandun makita yung determination talaga
Yes
to win the
po.
crown, of course.
Yes.
But anyway, Lemon, Joy, other than this, meron ka na bang sinalihan na local pageants?
Yes, actually, before year 2019, marami na po akong competition na sinalihan. And one of those is the Miss Silka Batangas, and I won.
Wow.
And I represent our province in Miss Silka Philippines. And the recent one is the Binibining Lunsod ng Kalaka. That is the first ever pageant in our city, and I also won.
Congratulations,
Yes, thank you
dear.
so much.
Anyway, of course, I have prepared some questions for you. So there are 50 random questions. Of course, these questions is all about personal and there's no right or wrong. But of course, you will choose 5 numbers only to answer the questions. So from 1 to 50, you will choose the first number you want.
Okay, number 1.
Number 1. Okay, your question is, if you could any age for the rest of your life, which would you choose?
Any age?
Yeah.
Age as in literary age?
Yeah, age?
I think mid-20s and my
20.
20s.
Why?
I think this is the level of life wherein very adventure na po. Nag-explore na tayo in mid-20s and sa totoo lang, if papipiliin ako, ay gusto kong ma-stuck doon eh. Kasi pag tumatanda na tayo, mahirap nang maging adventurous kasi meron na tayo mga other priorities. So, payo ko lang syempre sa mga young people natin dyan, enjoy every moment of your life kasi hindi na natin mababalikan yan eh. So yeah, if I will answer that question, I think mid-20s po.
Alright, mid-20s. Okay, next number please.
Number 14.
1-4.
Yeah.
14. Okay, your question is, what's your favorite playlist?
Playlist. To be honest, I don't have that playlist kasi I'm using Spotify and random lang po ako naghahanap din ng music and based on my mood. Pero yung pinaka-recent kong play is The Release. You know that song?
Ano nga ba?
Actually, release.
Really is.
Yung-
Who's the singer?
I can't remember the singer pero parang ginamit siya nung isa nating contender from the Philippines dun sa I can't remember that competition. Basta
Okay, basta yun na
LGBT,
yun.
Yes.
Alright, sige, next number please.
25.
25. Okay, your question is, what street did you grow up?
I grew up from city of Calaca, Barangay Kahil. To share with you, isa siyang bukid. So, tagu po talaga ako before. And nakilala lang ako because of pageants. Kasi may isang pageant doon wherein doon ko rin nakilala si Sir John Roy. Sinali niya ako sa competition. And that was the start na sunod-sunod na siya. And nakilala na rin yung lugar namin.
Wow, bongga palang pagkaka-discover sa ni
Yeah.
Sir John Roy. Anyway, last number.
Let's go for the last number, 50.
50. Oh my gosh. Your question is, what's your biggest pet peeve?
Pet peeve. I think the mannerism of always, alam niyo po yun, yung galaw ng galaw.
Uh-huh.
Yes, for me yon before, but naiintindihan ko naman na mannerism is part of a human. Pero pet peeve ko siya because, ewan ko ba, I'm not comfortable seeing people or person doing that. But yes, it's more on understanding kasi kanya-kanya naman tayong personality.
Exactly.
It's still okay.
All right. Thank you so much for answering and honest answers, of course.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Lemon Joy.
Thank you so
And
much.
now it's your time to promote your social media and, of course, ask supports from our followers sa Pageant Trend as well as sa YouTube channel namin.
Okay, so hi again, Pageant Trend. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Again, my name is Lemon Joy MD Mayuka, your Miss Culture International Philippines. So please do support me and Ryan, our Miss Culture International Philippines, for our upcoming pageant in Jakarta, Indonesia. We will represent our nation for that, and sana po supportahan nyo kami. And for my Facebook, Lemon Joy Manalo Di Mayuga, and yung iba ba po, yun lang din. So, yan, supportahan nyo po kami, and we will assure you na gagawin namin ni Ryan yung best namin para sa pageant na to. And
Meron
thank you so
bang
much.
online voting itong pageant?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, thank you, sir. Meron po kaming online voting. Isa po siyang magandang platform kasi doon daw po makakakuha ng isang papasok sa top 5. So, pag highest vote ka na doon, sure ka na makakapasok sa top 5. So, please do support me po and Ryan. Konting tulong lang po yon, pero malaki na po yung impact sa competition namin ni Ryan. So, thank you so much. Supportahan niyo po kami.
All right. Thank you, Lemon
Thank you so
Joy.
much po.
And of course, guys, once again, please don't forget to support Lemon Joy sa kanyang Miss Culture International 2024 journey. And ayun, narinig nyo na meron silang online voting. So please help her to advance sa top 5. This is, malaking tulong talaga para sa Pilipinas. Diba?
Thank you so much, Pageant Red.
All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And have a good day. Bye.